how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open or download the TikTok Live Studio. So if you haven't downloaded the TikTok Live Studio, all you have to do is to just go into your browser and then search for TikTok Live Studio right there. And then just on this part, click the download Live Studio. So make sure that it is the TikTok website and then just click the download button right here. Once you've downloaded that, just log in into your account. And then once you do that, you will be redirected into this part. And once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do on the sources is to just actually click the plus icon right here. So I'm going to click this one and then I'm going to click the game capture. So just click the game capture right there and then click add. So once you click the game right there on the capture, just select any full screen game. Or if you want to select a game, you can also do that by just going here and then selecting the game right there. I'm just going to leave it as it is in this part and then click compatible mode and then also capture cursor. And then after that, click add source. And then once you do that, this is what your screen will look like on live. So this is where they're gonna show your gameplay. So what we're going to do here is to just adjust or edit this part right here. So if you want to make it full screen, you can do that by just adjusting this right here. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And then on the portrait one, you can also do that by just editing this one right here. So if you want to make this a little bit bigger, you can also do that right there. And then just gonna click this. And then if you want to add your, of course, camera, you can also do that by just clicking add source again right here. And then click the camera and then click add. And then that is basically it. Just put your camera right here in this part. And then for the landscape mode, you can put it right here on the upper right corner or upper left corner of the screen. So it's up to you. And then once it is done, you are now good to go live on TikTok. And that is it. So that is basically it. That is how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming.